Here's how to do fast and slow motion in CapCut. Now, if you have a video and you want to speed up part of it and you want to have slow motion in another part, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the CapCut app here, and I'm just going to tap New Project and bring in, let's say, this video. Now, after I've done that, I can choose which portion I wanted to make fast and which portion I want slow motion. So let's say this is the beginning of where I want to do slow motion. I can tap on it and hit split. And then I'm going to just swipe over and choose, say, this part and hit split again. So now I've created a section in the middle. I can just tap on it and change the speed of this section. So I'm going to tap on speed at the bottom left. And now a cool way to do either fast motion or slow motion is to use curves for speed. So let's tap on curve. And you can see here a bunch of different options. So you can see at the very beginning, it might be fast or it might be slow, or it might transition from fast to slow. Let's go in any of these. Let's say we want to do this beginning one, montage. It'll kind of show you what it looks like at the very top. So again, you can choose different ones. It'll be slow and then fast and then slow again. You can also just tap on custom here and tap on it again. And let's say the beginning part, we want to be really fast, but then we want to slow it down a bunch and then get back to normal. So you can see it will show you what it looks like. You can have slow motion for those parts. It's a little bit too slow here. Let's speed that up a little bit. And then you can see just like that, it goes back to normal speed at the very end. When you're good, you can just hit the check mark and you're good to go.